Oh, there's a lip kiss. Just a bundle of love.
She used to say, you dress me like a lampshade.
Who said that?
What?
Who said that?
Always love these big fluffy
Big
things.
fluffy things, yeah.
What was that?
That's Raffles and Heather with some dog.
Oh, but that was the ferret.
That's not the ferret, Mom. That ferret was way later.
That was Bay Island.
Yeah, Raffles and Heather are in college.
Gee.
This is Manzanita. Look at the fence.
And there's the terror.
Remember that thing he's sitting on?
The monkey bars.
Yeah. The monkey bars that was in the yard forever. That's a cool toy.
That thing rocks, man.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Woo!
High speed.
That's a ball and a half. It's like having a car.
Are you kidding? You sit on that for years.
Oh yeah. Why are you spilling on the floor? And then there's a real dog. Which dog is that, for goodness sake? Look at that.
That's Heidi.
Yeah, we don't even start this. There's enough craziness going on.
It doesn't have a pooper. What is this?
Oh, we got a robot dog here?
Yeah.
That's exactly what you need.
Our dogs would go nuts with that. They'd be barking like crazy. Look at his